How to add WhatsApp account with Instagram account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add or link your WhatsApp account to Instagram account. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, just go to these three days on the top right corner and go to settings. After going to settings, just scroll down and then here you'll get to see one option that is account center. Simply click on account center and then it will take a few moments. Here you can see add Facebook account, add Instagram account. So you just need to click on Instagram account if you want to add your WhatsApp account to Instagram. Now here you have to click on confirm option. Hold on for a few seconds. It will take a moment. Until that, please subscribe to the channel and give a one thumbs up. And guys, here you can see it's done. It's very pretty simple. So now let me just go to Instagram and show you. Here it is, manage account. Here you can see my WhatsApp account has been linked to Instagram. So thanks for watching.